My name is Brian Martin, owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. One question we get asked every day is, can we splice wood into a door jamb? The answer is yes, we can, but do we? No, we do not. We do not recommend splicing wood into your door jamb to replace that rot. There's a couple main reasons. One, you lose the structural stability. Two, you do not see what's behind it if there's any further damage behind the rot. But third, you also will replace that wood, and then usually within 6 to 12 months, it'll be rotten again. So we do not splice wood into a door jamb. What we would recommend is replacing your door frame with a composite material on the door jamb. If you have any questions or love to receive a quote for a new door frame, or have any questions about splicing your door jamb, give us a call at 757-310-2926.